Hi, I'm Al Sutherland with your Mesonet Weather Report. This last week has been a hot one in Oklahoma. A map of maximum air temperatures from Wednesday shows 100 plus temperatures west of Lawton to Hinton to Enid. So can we say it was cooler in the eastern part of the state? If we only compared temperatures, we would. But if we consider humidity and wind, we get a much different perspective. A map of maximum apparent temperatures from Wednesday shows a wide band of extreme heat from Altus to Fairview to Tulsa and stretching out across the eastern side of the state. A graph from Nowata shows the large spread between air temperatures and much higher apparent temperatures late Wednesday afternoon. The air temperature peaked at 94 degrees in Nowata, but higher humidity and milder wind speeds made it feel like 107 degrees. That's 13 degrees hotter. This apparent temperature is what heat stress health risk is based on. When the apparent temperature goes over 105, it can be dangerous, especially for children, pregnant women, and older folks. How much does humidity and wind impact apparent temperature? A graph for Goodwell for Tuesday shows the air temperature reached 104 degrees. Yet with lower humidity and higher wind speeds, it only felt like 97 degrees. 7 degrees cooler than the air temperature. Gary, what's our latest drought status?
Good morning, everybody, and welcome to Sun Up. We're going to start, as usual, with the latest U.S. Drought Monitor map. As you can see, very little changes from last week, except for the spread of exceptional drought further north into Roger Mills County. Some reports put soil conditions out that way as probably the worst they've seen in over 40 years. Let's take a look at the July through September temperature and precipitation outlooks from the National Weather Service's Climate Prediction Center. For temperature, you can see we have increased odds of above normal temperatures across all of Oklahoma, especially across western Oklahoma. And for the precip side, we can see increased odds of below normal precipitation about the western half of Oklahoma. The rest of the state really didn't get a forecast. They got the dreaded EC, which means equal chances, so no forecast attempted there. But that would be bad news, both the temperature and the precipitation outlooks for western Oklahoma if those do come true. Now we use that data, which is input into the U.S. Seasonal Drought Outlook. Again, this is valid for June through September 30th, and you can see for about the western half or western third of Oklahoma, we see drought expected to persist or intensify. Now we do see some drought relief, but remaining across parts of eastern Oklahoma, and then some downright improvements across the rest of the area. Now the areas in white are not in drought currently, and it's not expected to develop there either, so that's good news. So we're now in the long hot days of summer, and unfortunately parts of western Oklahoma still need rain. It's going to be a pretty big task, but maybe we can get that done. That's it for this time. We'll see you next time on the Mesonet Weather Report.